So I'm trying to figure out some magnetic pebbles, or not magnetic, but they're a bunch of that stone over there is attracted to a magnet, even the dust of it. And that was part of the hill that was dug out so we can level or make a foundation for that garage there. And one day I dropped a magnet on the ground over there and all these pebbles stuck to it. So there's a lot of iron there, there's a lot of granite, a lot of chert, chalcedony, a whole bunch of different types of stuff, but it almost looks like it's been overheated or something, I don't know. But as we dug that out, about probably 4 feet underground, there's charred wood and stuff like that as well. So let's go over there and look at this. So here's a example of some of the charred wood. There's quite a bit, and it's strewn all throughout this area, and even down, there's a creek down there. I've even found some down there. If you try and light this, it's really dry right now and real light. If you try to catch it on fire now, it doesn't burn. So anyway, that's an example of the wood. Right here, just at a golf club, this is a magnet. You can see that there's already some rocks and dust covering it. We're going to stick it on here. It's a pretty strong magnet. And then you can pretty much rub it anywhere around here and you'll see some stones and stuff sticking to it. So that's what it looks like now. We'll just you can see some of it sticking already. Do another one. So it's all over the place right here. All the dust and little pebbles sticking to it. Any of the bigger iron deposits that I found, fist size, maybe a little bit larger, they don't have the magnetic property, or not magnetic, but they're not attracted to a magnet like these small pebbles are in dust. And again, it's all over the place here. Here, let's do this. Alright. So it's relatively clean. You can see there's a little bit left there, but we'll go over here where it's a little bit more dirt. And you can see how much sticks to it, these rocks here. And the weird thing is a lot of them look like iron, iron naturally is, I forget what it's called. But it doesn't seem to be magnetite or anything like that, because the pieces aren't magnetic, but they're sticking to a magnet. So I want to know what causes that. There's another example of how a lot of this is. It's like it's just been blasted. There's a lot of fracture lines that are along these black like these black areas. Right, Slate?